And the shift to the new normal in schools is somehow being made easier in Taguig, thanks to the LGU's Tele-Aral program. JC Cosico walks us through the project in this report.
Some parents and students are still adjusting to the new learning setup amid the COVID-19 pandemic. And with the Taguig City's Tele-Aral program, getting help on students' printed modules is just one call away. Students and parents may call these numbers should they need assistance. Officials say most calls are related to mathematics, English, and science subjects.
May mga katanungan po na talagang kailangang maipaliwanag ng gusto. At dahil wala po tayong face-to-face learning ngayon, nahihirapan po sila.
The Tele-Aral program also has a Facebook page. Links to different accounts are posted per grade level with corresponding subject areas.
Para naman po dun sa walang kakayahan, walang internet, tumatawag po sila sa aming mobile hotline at sila po ay binabalikan ng aming mga teachers. Kami na po ang tumatawag. Kung wala naman pong pantawag, pwede po silang mag-text at kami na po ang tatawag sa kanila.
The program is also open to non-residents of the Taguig City, just like this parent who called from Aklan.
Ima-minus po yung numerator kasi nahanap na po natin yung LCD. 4 minus 3 equals, opo, 1. Precious na, ayan, naunawaan mo na yung pagkuha natin ng LCD. Hello po.
Paliwanag ko na lang din po ulit sa kanya, ma'am, kung paano yung nakuha, ma'am.
Opo, ma'am. Naunawaan na po natin, ma'am Rose.
Opo.
May katanungan pa po tayo.
Hello, ma'am.
Kasi po, minsan ang bata, kailangan talaga na visualize niya kung ano yung pinag-aaralan niya. So, naisip ko po gumamit ng whiteboard para habang ini-explain ko po, sinusulat ko po din yung process kung paano namin gagawin.
Tele-Aral teacher agents also underwent call center and tutorial training. The Taguig City LGU hired about 70 teachers for their Tele-Aral program. Some of them are private school teachers who lost their jobs due to the pandemic. One of them is teacher Rachel.
Hindi po na-renew po yung contract ko po sa private school. Siyempre po, masaya. Masaya kasi napakahirap po ng buhay ngayong pandemya eh. 'Di ba, sir? Kumbaga parang ang swerte mo na lang kung may trabaho ka. 'Di ba, sir? Tama po ba? Kaya sobrang saya po nung makapasok po dito sa Tele-Aral po.
The city government of Taguig is hiring about 500 more teachers who will serve as tutors by November. They will also be trained on enforcing health protocols.
Ang bawat isa po na guro ay magkakaroon ng 5 estudyante na kanyang itututor personally at bukod po doon ay tuturuan niya ang pamilya kung paano po mag-observe ng health protocols upang siguraduhin na ligtas sila sa COVID-19.
The Tele-Aral program is open Mondays to Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. For News 5, JC Cosico, we are One News.